The Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, under the leadership of the Chief Executive Member Panchayat Singh Siem, had convened a meeting on the 21st of September 2023, a day before the two-day special session of the Council, which has been scheduled from 22nd September 2023. Speaking to media persons after the meeting, the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the KHADC, Panchayat NCM, informed that the Executive Committee had decided to discuss during the two-day special session of the Council the expenditure that would be incurred towards organizing the Monolith Festival and also on the various programs that would be included during the event, while adding that all expenses for the festival would be borne by the state government through the Tourism Department. However, the KHADC will set aside rupees 10 lakhs as emergency fund should there arise any added expenditure during the Monolith Festival 2023 organized by the Council.
Kadisangsul ka larai banyak sekmar ka jadi berka Monolith Festival agak ka state government yang baga tourism department kan berlu di expenditure wala ka taru na leng usul kan bandon some budget agak jadi berka art and culture kada news ban pendung agak budget akan ka session ke adat na daw ngidon ka bangon ra biang ka supplementary statement akan ka special session na siya kabangin ermak kendiat na kabantaka art and culture bangin ban penlut kendiat let's say ki jinon kam kiba malu mana hang yang pai haji de bakaneka Monolith Festival kebaru haji de bak pension jongki MDC ada biki badon MDC ki Malaysia High Court ru ban dawa haji de bak pension jongki haji de ban kaleng jongi ila isu bo biang akan dika supplementary statement jongi na kabandar di penlut ki jadi bakatuk ningun ki MDC bagi don gamban aya ka pension ke jongki don bakatuk ni jing penlut badan kam kerki aga bayde baka legislatif jongi ika taru na bo biang ka erma kat pane nang ba kini ban penlut hari ni ki kendiat por swaba ka financial year nang ta education department ru aga last session ikan don allocation ni haji de baka education department tementar ngabuk atu ni ka phone na kebentar education department kenang bang ini ban penlut haji de baki jing penlut apa ka education department kita kilong katukan ni gibaya day bad ka financial statement ni ka bang yung ka supplementary statement na supplementary di mana ka bagin place na siya ka sini